Hello. So there's one thing I find really interesting is that a lot of people like to argue about social issues but don't really like to come to a conclusion where both sides are fine with it. And so if there's one social issue that I could possibly sway sides on, it would be abortion. Let me tell you that I'm neither for or against abortion, but then there are times where both sides make political arguments that could really sway my opinion one side or to the other. And so, if there were two things that would really change my opinion on this, it would be first, the person would need to provide studies and examples. For example, of abortion. If there was one person who was pro abortion, they would have to say, well, what about people who are raped or people that can't afford it? Or the other side would say, well, you're robbing someone of a life. Well, you see, both sides are using valid reasonings, which would possibly sway my opinion on this topic. And so another thing that a person would need to possibly sway my opinion towards the social issue is if they show how it's either influencing society in a positive way or a negative way. I just think this is really important because if it really doesn't affect anyone, it's not really a social issue that society prioritizes. And so, if there's one thing I think that makes a person a really good persuasive speaker, it's if they know how to listen to the points and debate it. So, say if there's one person arguing with another, it's important that they listen to every point that they make, use a counter argument towards that, and just disprove it and then able to provide better examples. I think that would make someone a really good persuasive speaker, because not only did you just prove them wrong, but then you just show them how your topic is way better. And so if there's one thing that I want to wrap this up with is that if there's one thing that makes a idea really persuasive, it's if the product is good by itself. You shouldn't need to explain why this idea is good for everybody. It's just you look at it and you just see all the benefits and there's nothing that can go wrong. And so that's pretty much it. Goodbye.